Hello everyone, this is going to be a video about patches in NetLogo. Now, patches are basically the background of the program in NetLogo. As you can see here, all the patches are blue. This is done with a very simple line of code. You can do things with patches by saying ask patches. For example, here we set the P color, which is basically the color of a patch, to blue, by saying ask patches set P color blue, which then sets all the patches to P color blue. You can also ask a number of patches at random points on the screen to do a certain thing. So here we ask n of 25 patches, which basically means we're going to ask 25 random patches to set their P color to green. You can also ask patches at certain points by saying px core or py core. For example, here we ask patches with px core more than or equal to 0 to set their P color to green. Let's just comment this out to make it more noticeable. As you can see, this makes all patches on the right side of the screen, in other words with px core more than or equal to 0, to set their P color to green. You can also say with px core and py core, or set it to a number instead of an inequality. So you can say with px core equals 0 and py core less than or equal to 0, which makes that happen. To show another function of patches, we're going to create a few turtles with the function createTurtles. Patches can be used to tell turtles to do certain things when they run over certain patches. For example, down here, we ask turtles if P color equals green, set heading random 360. This is telling the turtles if they land on a patch with P color equals green to change their heading, which is basically changing their direction, which causes them to be stuck in green space, randomly changing their direction forever. Same thing can basically be done with a whole lot of turtle values. For example, you can tell them to change their color when they run over a certain color of patch, or to change their size, or even to change their shape. So what this will do is it will set red arrows, turtles that are red arrows, to be pink, to be larger, and to change their shape to a happy face. Ta-da! If you happen to have a global value, or turtle zone value, you can also tell turtles who run over certain color patches, or even certain px core patches, or patches of a certain px core or py core. If you replace if p color equals green to if px core or py core equals a certain value. Then you can also tell them to increase or decrease the global value, to increase or decrease the turtle zone value, or even to hatch new turtles. Lastly, you can even tell turtles who run over a certain P color, or PX core, or PY core, to disappear or die. In this case, all the turtles will die because they all started on a green patch. It can be done with a number of commands, and any P color, PX core, PY core that the turtles can go over. And that's pretty much how you use patches in NetLogo.